Hello everyone. So after I've been sorting out 18 of these battle packs here in this box as well, I got all these sets right here. I'm going to be sorting all these clones and assembling about 72 of these guys in here. Oh yeah, and here's all the jetpacks and the guns and the battle packs. I got two sealed in the back there. So we'll be continuing on with this video as I assemble them. Alright, so all the battle packs have been sorted out and we built all the clones from them. So here's the whole army so far. We got all the jetpack 501st clones back here. Ahsoka's clones back here. And now I'm going to be adding in 8 more of these clones right here. So I'm going to be sorting through all of this. And these are the battle droids that I still have in pieces right now. So yeah, let's continue on. All right. So here's the rest of the 501st clones I built, the 332nd clones. And these are all the Ahsoka Tano clones right here. So yeah, here's all the jetpack clone troopers, the 501st. The rest of the 501st clones. How many times have I said 501st in this video so far? I don't know. We'll say another 501st again. Anyways, these are all the sets I had to sort out of the 501st packs. All the instruction manuals of the 501st sets. Yes, we got a sealed set here of the 4th pack troopers. I got 2 sealed 501st battle packs here. Then these are all the battle boys from the 501st battle packs. All the Sokatanos from the AAT sets. And here's all the AAT sets still in their bags. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching everyone, and please subscribe.